This is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browsing app on this device. So the first way to do that is, well, by launching the General Settings app. In here you want to enter the apps category, next go for the default app section, browser app, and in here simply select Opera, therefore setting it to be your default app for browsing. That is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and launch it. Once the Opera is opened, just go for the settings by tapping on your avatar, then at the cog icon that I've just showed, scroll the page down for a little bit, click on the default browser section, next select Opera and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.